Hi, hello, and good morning, everyone. Newborn investor here, and welcome back to another live day trading video. Hopefully, the market gives us some great opportunities today as we're all here to make some money. My intention behind these videos is to capture everything live with 100% transparency so that you get a sense of what it takes to be a day trader. Also, it takes a lot for me to record these videos while I trade live. So, if you appreciate the effort and the content, all I ask from you is to hit the like and subscribe button. It means a lot. That being said, let's get straight into today's action. Pre-market, SPY and triple Q around the borderline. It's green as of now, but probably it may turn red later into the day. So I'll wait for confirmation on which way the market wants to head. Today I have a different stock on watch pre-market. It's Robinhood. They actually came out with their earnings report yesterday and the stock got hammered. And today I think there should be a pop at market open and then a sell-off. So if the options have good volume and open interest, and if the price is moving quickly, I may look at Robinhood options to the put side. As usual, I'm also watching Tesla and Nvidia. We do have around 10 minutes to market open, so I'll go ahead and pause for now and I'll talk to you guys at market open. Market is open, watching Tesla, Nvidia and Robinhood. I would like Nvidia to break the pre-market low, then I'll be interested on the put side. Five seconds for this 5-minute candle to close. Tesla looks good. Let me focus on Tesla for now. 1050 I'm adding. I missed my entry. Feeling a bit FOMO. Waiting. Tesla making new lows. So Tesla, I'm adding one more level, which is around 802. Oh my god, it's brutal. It's getting hammered. But I think I will now get a good entry. Probably I'll make my first add at this level. 1310. Just adding. I got in at 1250. This probably is going to be the first 5-minute candle to make a new high. Now I'll be looking to add around 810. I'll wait because we do have around 3 minutes for this candle to close. Maybe this level, the low of this candle, is acting as a resistance. 1060 I'm placing. Yep, I'm in. My next add would be around 814. We do have around 1 minute for this 5-minute candle to close. Not in a hurry here. Giving it some time. Selling some at 1245. $12.60 I'm placing another at 10. Now just 5. Selling. I'm out. I gave it some time. I had the opportunity to exit around 13. I wanted to give it some time, and this time it did not break down, but I'm glad to come out of the trade green. On the trade, making around $3,200 in 30 minutes. No reasons to complain. So now let's look at the trade. I got my first add at 1250, then at 1060. My first exit at 1245 for 15 contracts, then 1260 and then 1125. 1125 was a bad exit because 3 cents above my average entry price. My entry price was around 1122 or 23. It is what it is. Now the price is around 1240, 1250. But I'm very happy with that one trade. I think that should do it for me today. Being a Friday, I don't want to overstay my welcome and go into the weekend with a red trade. So that's it from me for today. As I always say, my goal here is not to hit home runs, but to make consistent base hits and live another day to trade. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Until then, stay safe and thanks for watching. Bye.